October 15th, 2020, Fluency. Number 1. 3 friends go to the local farmer's market. Latasha spends $3.35. Helen spends 4 times as much as Latasha. D spends $7.50 more than Helen. How much does D spend? All right, first of all, so we know that Latasha spends $3.35, okay? So we have Latasha, she spends, let's see, that's a little light, $3.35. Helen, though, spends 4 times as much as Latasha. So we need to figure out how much Helen spent in order to add $7.50 more to get what Helen spent. So Latasha spent $3.35. Helen spent 4 times that. So what are we going to do? Oh, we're going to multiply. So $3.35. I'm going to have $3.35. All right, so $3.35. Do I need to line up my decimals if I'm multiplying decimals? Nope, no we don't. So times 4 because she spent 4 times that. So, whoa. All right, let's see. Now we can multiply. What is 4 times 5? That's 20. I'm going to put that 2 up here. Drop that 0. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. I'm going to carry that 1 and drop that 4. All right, 4 times 3 is 12 again, but plus 1 is going to be 13. So did she spend $1,340? No, and why not? Because we forgot to put our decimal back in. All right, so the decimal, it goes in 1 spot, in 2 spots. We're going to do the same thing with our answer. There's no decimal here, so just that 2. So we're going to go in 1 spot, in 2 spots. So $13.40 is what Latasha made, or what Latasha spent, I should say. So then D spent $7.50 more than Helen. Oh, I'm sorry. That's how much Helen spent. Because Helen spent 4 times what Latasha spent. So D spent $7.50 more than Helen. So more than Helen, that means we're going to do what? Oh, we're going to add. So we're going to do $13.40 plus, I'm going to do it over here. So we are going to have $13.40 plus $7.50. Do I have to line up my decimals if I'm adding and subtracting? Yes. So when we're adding or subtracting, we do have to line up our decimals. So we have $7.50. $7.50. Alrighty, so whoop, there we go. All right, now when we add 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 5 is going to be 9. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it low. 3 plus 7 is going to be 10. So I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 0. 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. So 20 and 90 hundredths, or what she spent is $20. Make sure we label that. $20.90 is what D spent. Is how much D spent. Awesome, awesome. That's it for our fluency. Great job.